Hi viewers, thank you for your interest in our double degree program in Biomedical Sciences and Chinese Medicine. In this video clip, I'm going to share with you some of the features that are unique to this particular program. First of all, this program is bilingual because the half of the curriculums are consisting of biomedical science subjects which are taught in English, and the other half of the program are TCM subjects taught in Mandarin by professors from the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. And this program combines biomedical sciences and Chinese medicine. So one is from the west and the other one from the east. So we will try to blend the knowledge of and wisdom of the east and west together. And at the end of the program, graduates will get 2 degrees from 2 different reputable universities in the world. First of all, they will get a Bachelor of Science with honors degree in Biomedical Sciences conferred by NTU. And in addition, they will get a Bachelor of Chinese Medicine degree conferred by the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. That's why it's called a double degree program. Now, there is actually an extra. Other than the double degree, students, if they pass the Singapore TCM Physicians Registration Exam, they will get a TCM Practicing Certificate license, and they will become a qualified TCM physician. Now, other than those formal training programs, this double degree program consists of a number of enrichment programs. And most of these, if not all of these enrichment programs, are heavily subsidized by the university. That means participants will be only required to pay a token sum to join this program. And these enrichment programs are only open to students in this double degree program. So first of all, we have a program that takes students to Anhui province in China, where they will get to see and experience the whole value chain of Chinese medicine, right from the start on how they plant and grow the medicines, the processing part, the trading part, collection, trading, as well as also how the manufacturings are done in the factories. So the students get to see the whole processes from beginning to the end. And in addition to that, participants of this enrichment program will have opportunities to travel into the mountain to see the real species of different types of Chinese herbal medicines grown in the natural environment. So this is very unique to the participants. Besides this, we used to conduct a tour to Hong Kong and Macau to study the TCM industry over there, because Hong Kong and Macau, the environment is somewhat closer, as well as the infrastructures, the regulations are closer to us. All right. So at the same time, they will get an opportunity to attend a conference which are held about the same time when they are there. But unfortunately, this program did not materialize last year because of the unrest in Hong Kong. But if everything is back to normal, we look forward to resume this enrichment program again. In addition, we also have other opportunities for students to get internship in other medical institutions in China, so that they get more exposure to different kinds of experience. When they are back to Singapore, or when they are in Singapore, they will have opportunities to have internship at our own clinic, and also at the same time they may join internships at other big medical institutions in Singapore, such as Zhonghua Medical Institutions, Tongzhai, or maybe next time Guangweishu Hospital. That again is to enable them to have more experience and to get to see different kind of diseases as well as methods of treatments. Other than all this, we also take care of our students' health by organizing TCM Qigong classes for our students. All right, now, so besides, other than joining this type of classes to train up their physical health, they also get to understand more of the culture embedded within these Qigong programs, because many of these Qigong programs are actually closely related to TCM concepts and philosophies. And of course, on and off, if we have other opportunities, we will organize more of different type of programs to enrich the studies experience of our graduates. So all of these, as I mentioned, are only exclusively available to students in this double degree program. So just to round up some of those features, first of all, the graduates are very flexible in the choice of jobs because of the nature of training. All right, so they have a wide spectrum of opportunities whereby they can pick and choose and then decide what they are interested in. Another unique feature of this program is, if for those who are not going to practice TCM full-time, they are allowed to actually keep a full-time job and then practice TCM on a part-time basis. Or for those who are interested to return back to the society by involving in community services, providing free TCM services, it will be a very good avenue for them to achieve that objective. Other than this, as we know that in this uncertain world, we always have to prepare for contingencies, or maybe due to whatever reasons, one may want to switch career because of change of interest. So if you are holding a TCM license, this will provide you opportunity for you to switch your career path at any point in time when needed. Okay. Last but not least, by studying this program, you end up with a qualified physicians, but at the same time, you have acquired set of knowledge which are going to be very useful to you in the long time or even for the whole life, because TCM focused a lot on how to keep good health, how to practice prevention, practice preventive medication. So if you are in possession of this knowledge, it's going to be very useful, and I'm sure it will help you to cut down on your medical expenses in future. Alright, so that's about all I'm going to share with you on the unique features of this program. And if you have further inquiries, you may WhatsApp us again, or you can also email us. You may raise your questions in English or in Chinese. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.